Hey everybody, it is Sierra Janelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about top 10 things that every brow artist need in their workspace. If you do not know, I am the owner of Detroit Brow Company and I do all things brows, brow lamination, microblading, nanoblading, brow wax and tint. Anything brows I do. Okay, so I'm just going to be sharing 10 things that I believe that you need in your workspace. These are things that I've gathered over time and didn't have at the beginning. So if you are a beginner person who is doing brows, please watch to the end. You're gonna get some valuable information. If you haven't already, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's hop right into this video. Okay guys? Okay, so first things first is gonna be cleanliness and sanitation. These are the top thing that you should be concerned about. Whether it is COVID or not, you still want your place that you do brows to feel clean and safe. So the first thing I am going to recommend is disinfectants. So here I have both barbicide and cavicide. Barbicide I use for my tools, so my tweezers, scissors, anything that touches the skin. I put it in barbicide overnight, and then anything that is also touched by a client as well. So it'll be like my bed, my stool, my mirror, even my light, everything that I touch during the service or something that touches the client, I make sure to wipe it down with cavicide. So cavicide actually is like a medical grade type of disinfectant. It kills a lot of different bacteria and diseases, even some HIV strains, hepatitis B and C, staph, pneumonia, things of that nature. So I would definitely grab this and then barbicide as well. So these are my holy grails. In addition to this, I also of course get some air filtration going on, as well as Lysol spray that I spray in the air. Like I said, sanitation is going to be your number one thing right now. People want to feel safe and protected, and like I said, even when COVID is gone, you still want to put these practices in place because it's super important, and you don't want to get in trouble or someone reports that they got sick from your facility. You want to make sure that everything is clean when people come in. Also, when it comes to cleanliness, the number 2 product that I'm going to recommend is bed sheets. Okay, so these I have, you can get them on Amazon. Of course, I'll make an Amazon link with all of these products if you're able to get them through Amazon, but most of them you can't get them through Amazon. These are bed covers. These are disposable, and the reason why I recommend disposable rather than those furry cute blankets is because you can't clean them as frequently as you can with a bed cover. Only one person touches this, and I can throw it right away when they leave. The thing with those furry cute covers, yes, it keeps your client warm, especially if your studio is cold, but with those things, is not as sanitary as something like this. It protects your furniture, and it also protects your client from any bacteria, any germs that may linger on those blankets. If you think about it, like, you might have 3 or 4 people that you see a day, and 9 times out of 10 a lot of people don't clean in between those, or don't have 3 or 4 different blankets for each person. Most people reuse the same blanket, and maybe if you're lucky, clean it after night and bring another one in, but 9 times out of 10 they don't. This again not only protects you, it protects your client. They feel clean, feel safe. It doesn't look like or feel like I have other people's germs on me, and so this is why I recommend these disposable bed sheet. Okay, so the next thing, our number 3 item, is going to be good lighting. This is going to be super beneficial to you when you go to take before and after pictures. Nobody wants to see, you know, dark dingy, not good quality pictures. And one of the things, aside from the device you're using to take the pictures, is going to be good lighting. So a lot of people, lash artists, brow artists, they recommend the Glam Core light, but I was able to find a dupe on Amazon, which is about half the price. So I would definitely recommend that. It has something to hold my camera, as well as two flexible lights on the side. So I will either use this, which I'm using right now, or I don't know if you can see, I'll turn the camera a little bit. I use this little light. Again, it has a little flexible head and it's easy to maneuver. So I would definitely recommend that, as well as something like this. This is a ring, selfie ring light. It also can attach to your phone, and you can kind of get some close-up angles with this as well if you don't have a light, or let's say you just want one single light, you don't want the big Glam Core dupe light, you can use something like this to take good quality pictures. Okay, so the next thing is going to be a wooden wax stick, and this one actually is new to me and something that I recently changed over to, and it is the rounded wooden stick, and this also can be classified as a cuticle pusher. And if you see, it is a little different than your regular wax stick. It has like a rounded edge, and I like it specifically because it can get right into the arch very easily. This is the one that I used to use, and I mean, they both work pretty good, but I like this one better because it glazes over. Like I said, it's just easier to maneuver, especially in this arch area right here. So this is what I use now. You can find it on Amazon. It's also described as a cuticle pusher, but either one of these wax sticks, but I definitely recommend the rounded one because it just works better for me. All right, so moving right along, the next product recommendation is going to be a good pair of tweezers and a good pair of scissors. I have both rounded scissors, and then I have straight head scissors as well. So I kind of use a mix of these. The straight here, I kind of use for this part of the brow, so the head of the brow. And then when it goes into the arch, I use my curved scissors to make a perfect curve, because I don't know, sometimes, especially with lamination, your hairs are already straight, and if you cut it too straight, it looks a little funny. So with the rounded pair of scissors, I'll just go in and get this little area right here. So I switch back between my straight scissors and then my rounded scissors. I think these are by Tweezerman, and these are just regular scissors from Amazon. Like I said, I'll link this below. And then my favorite pair of tweezers are Tweezerman. Some people complain about that. I've seen a couple of different brow artists say they don't like Tweezerman, but I like it. I like the minis, in fact, just because I can go in here and get those little hairs. This is the brand that I like. I don't like the cheap tweezers because it's more pain on the client, and we kind of want to hurry up and do this process to have less pain as possible. So a good pair of tweezers, good pair of scissors, you'll be good. Next is going to be a bowl or of some sort to tint. I know a lot of different tinting kits come with a plastic kind of container, but I like this one because it's more sturdy. It doesn't get dirty because it's glass. So this is what I like. There is a pretty popular brow artist named Brow Anse, and she has actually a ring dish that goes on your finger. It's not shaped like this, but it is still round. It's kind of more of a rounder, flatter oval, and that has been out of stock for a while. So as soon as she releases that, I'm definitely gonna buy that. It beats kind of holding it with this hand and dipping it in here when you're doing your tint, but I'll recommend any type of ring dish similar to this, or if you can find one that attaches to your ring finger and have it like this. It's very convenient, especially if you're concerned about time and things of that nature. getting the client out as quick as possible. This is one thing that you can utilize so you don't have to keep maneuvering around. You have the tint right here, or whatever else that you put in this glass. Another lifesaver that I have currently utilized in my brow studio is a pointed cotton swab. So this is the pointed cotton swab, and as you see, it has a little point at the end, and then this is my regular cotton swab. So I like this pointed one because, like I said, when I do my tint, it just cleans up a lot more easier and kind of get more precise when I am carving out that shape for the tint. So a pointed cotton swab versus a normal cotton swab, I would definitely get the pointed kind. It works better, it's more precise, so get it. I promise you. If this is nothing else, I think the pointed cotton swab and my rounded wax stick has definitely changed the game for me. So go cop these. Next is going to be a dual-ended brush. This one is from Nick Townsend, and I like this one because it has a super flat head. And then this is the other side. So this side I use for highlight or concealer when I am done with the brow, and then this side I use, as you see, the angle side I use to do my tinting with. So these are super thin, as you can see. It's easier to use for precision. This is going to be very precise when you do your tinting, and then this super flat edge is going to help to ease the process of blending a concealer underneath the eye. So this is a dual-ended brush. This one is from Nick Townsend, but I've seen a couple of different brands have this, but I'll link this specific one in the description box. And the next product kind of coincides with that other one, and this is a highlighter or a concealer. So these two are from Nick Townsend. Again, what I like about this are they are skinny, and then it comes with a sharpener too. So I like this. I think this comes in 4 different colors, but again, this is kind of sold out too. So whenever they go back on sale, I'll get them, not on sale but back in stock, I'll get them. I have the color Deep Ebony and Champagne. Most of my clients fit, I can make it work with these two, but they do also come with 2 other colors. So I like these as well. L'Oreal has some ones too. They have like both a highlighter color. I think it comes in 3 different shades, the L'Oreal one. And this comes with the concealer side, and this is more of a highlight to kind of give it some glow. So that's totally optional, but I do recommend it because it does pull everything together once you do the service. Again, depending on what service that you do provide. Last but not least is going to be some sort of clear brow gel and or brow soap. This is the brow soap that I use. You can get it from Amazon. It'll be in my store, and then I also use my clear brow gel. I'll link where you can get that soon. It's not out yet, but I will be releasing that pretty soon. Hopefully by the time this video is up, it'll be a link in the description box where you can purchase it. So any type of clear brow gel or brow soap, it helps just to pull everything together, finish everything off, make sure that it looks crisp and clean and perfect when they walk out. So yeah, those are 10 of my favorite brow tools that you definitely should implement in your workspace. These have been game changers for me. I love them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section, as well as other topics you would want to, or for me to discuss when it comes to brows, opening up a salon, opening up a suite, tools, things of that nature, getting more clients. Just let me know in the description, in the comment, and I'll definitely make a video on it. I want to do a series of brow artists / lash tech / anything beauty. So hopefully you will be seeing more videos like this soon. But that is all for today. So see you guys soon.